In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to filter your data by static layers. And you can see which static layers you currently have installed by clicking on Configure Layers here on the Home menu. And here on the left-hand side, you will see static layers. And in this file, I've got US states and counties. So now let's click on OK, and let's perform this filter by static layer export. To do it, you click on File, then on Export, and then Filter Data by Static Layer. So we click on that button, and now we can choose the static layer we want to filter our data by. And currently, our file is built at the 5-digit zip level, so we can convert some of that data either to the state level or to the county level. So let's click here on US Counties and click on OK. And now we can save this file to our desktop and click on Save. When the export is finished, it will appear on your screen right away. And here you can see our zip codes being matched to US counties. And then on the second tab, you will see all of our data that's coming from our 5-digit US zip code map is now mapped to US counties. So it's giving us a count of all the account segments, and it's also giving us all the data sets from our zip code map, but now it's mapped to the US county FIPS code. This is also how you can easily convert a US 5-digit zip code AlignMix map to a US county FIPS code map.